Hey everyone, welcome back. Kalshi is asking for a verification code when you logged in, but the text never arrives. Here are two iPhone settings almost always blocking it, both fixed in 30 seconds. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Now here, if you see a focus or a do not disturb icon lit up, then tap on it to turn it off. Kalshi sends two-factor authentication codes from automated short numbers, and focus mode silently blocks those texts. After turning focus off, go to your settings and then search for phone. Scroll down to silence unknown callers, and if this is on, turn it off right now. Kalsi's verification codes comes from automated numbers that iPhone classifies as unknown callers and filters out. Now go back to the Kalshi's login screen and then tap Resend code. Wait a full 60 seconds. If the code still does not arrive, look for an option to verify by email instead. Kalshi supports both SMS and email two-factor authentication. Also, check your email spam folders. If you use sign in with Apple for Kalshi, you can bypass the code entirely. Tap the sign in with the Apple button on the login screen instead. So all you gotta do is go to control center, focus mode off, settings, phone, silence unknown callers off, resend, switch to email or sign in with Apple, and that's it. Kalshi's code will arrive. Subscribe.